अच्छा, देखें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 61 कहता है this simple device saves you many hours of toil. First up, just fill in the attached form below and post it to us or apply to your local dealer for details of this useful article. First up, फिर कहते हैं प्लीज सप्लाई मी with a few samples of cloth in blue and black. It would be suitable. तो देखें suitable किस तरह लिखेंगे, ये इस तरह लाइन ड्रा करेंगे, सूटेबल ये सूट है और ये बल इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, सुटेबल फॉर आटम सूट्स। फर्स्ट अप, आई शुड बी ओबलाइज्ड तो किस तरह लिखेंगे, देखे आई, अच्छा क्या है, आई अलहदा है, आई शुड बी ओबलाइज्ड, ये जे डी के लिए हाफ करेंगे, शुड बी ओबलाइज्ड इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, फिर कहता है इफ you would include a couple of samples each of single and double width। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ, फिर कहता है please deliver to us as early as possible 50 copies of the book entitled तो ये डी के लिए हाफ है, किस तरह है देखे, entitled ये क्या है, ये टाई और ये टी डी के लिए हाफ है और ये एल होक है। अच्छा, फिर कहता है classes and how to make them। First up, these are to be supplied at a total cost of 20 guineas including delivery। तो ये किस तरह लिखेंगे, including, देखें including ये के हाफ है डी के लिए और एल होक भी है इसके साथ। अच्छा, फिर कहता है we are pleased ये एल हुक है, to know that you will be able to किस तरह लिखेंगे, that you will be able to इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, deliver some of the tables by the 1st of January and that you expect to supply the rest in 2 weeks. We shall be obliged if you will get enough to us by the first to enable us to make a special display of them. First up, I believe that many of the articles in this sale should be especially valuable to us, to you. For the first time in the history of the store where we are able to make them किस तरह लिखेंगे, देखें able to make them। अच्छा, अवेलेबल अच्छा किस तरह लिखेंगे, देखें अवेलेबल इस तरह लिखेंगे, अवेलेबल इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, हाँ, at a reasonable low cost and I urge you to call and inspect them as soon as you possibly can. Do not wait till it is too late। अच्छा, फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 62, I called the house several times, and in as much as each time I was unable to get in reply. I think that these people were away and the house was closed. अच्छा, फिर कहता है you have not replied to our note of 14th February asking for a check for the goods supplied to you on 14th November. 14th November ये ईद है और ये एन वी ये नवंबर है नवंबर. We would like to know why you have not settled why you have not settled this bill. अच्छा, full stop. If you wish to place your furs in cold storage, we can call for them and deliver them to you when you tell us to do so. अच्छा, फिर कहता है our charges are most reasonable. Let us store them for you and you will have nothing to worry about. अच्छा, फिर कहता है नंबर 4. Most people have believed in the past that it was necessary. किस तरह लिखेंगे that it was necessary? That it was necessary. इस तरह लिखेंगे. अच्छा, to pay a light of money for a good club SETI. No doubt they were right, but we can tell you now that it is not at all necessary to pay much for a good article, as we have just put on the market our easy rest. किस तरह लिखेंगे देखें, easy rest इस तरह लिखेंगे. अच्छा, SETI which is available for only a few guineas. फिर कहता है please tell us what the cost would be of a safe about 4 feet high and with a capacity of about 40 cubic feet. अच्छा, the cost should include delivery to this building. फिर कहता है exercise number 63. In the belief that you will wish to stop at a simple but pleasant hotel, we have sent to you today a copy of our recently issued booklet. Full stop. The total charges for a couple per week is only 10 guineas. This rate includes a double room. Full stop. Single rooms are 5 guineas and up. Our fare is simple but good. Please tell us what that our table is first class. फर्स्ट क्लास तो किस तरह लिखेंगे ये यानी एल के लिए हुक यानी बनेंगे फर्स्ट क्लास. ये लाइन पर लिखेंगे तो किस तरह लिखेंगे, मैं आपके लिए इस यहाँ पर लाइन पर लिखेंगे. देखें, फर्स्ट क्लास इस तरह लिखेंगे. अच्छा, फर्स्ट क्लास. दे से इंडीड it is no equal. We doubt that it is include, but we had know that we use only a best foods and that our charges are quite reasonable. We make no charge at all for golf or swimming. अच्छा, फिर कहता है देखें ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर 64. तो 64 यहाँ से हम पढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, यहाँ पर आते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 64. अच्छा, यहाँ पर आते हैं. कहता है we enclose. तो देखें किस तरह लिखेंगे enclose. ये वी इन क्लोज इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, we enclose a booklet which gives details of our plate glass। ये क्या है? प्लेट ग्लास विंडो। तो देखिए प्लेट ग्लास किस तरह लिखेंगे, देखें, प्लेट ग्लास, प्लेट ग्लास, ये पी हाफ है यानी ठीक है, प्लेट ग्लास विंडो इंश्योरेंस। When you renew your insurance, we believe it will pay you to take this type of policy। अच्छा, you will note that we are able to give you a special useful service as soon as we receive your claim we replace the glass। Your claim is settled without delay and a check just enough to pay for all the damages, including any damage to your window display, is sent to you। अच्छा,